Hello viewers, welcome to Adbandhan YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shahadar Rahman Shoaib with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to connect energy meter wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Three-phase energy meter, single-phase energy meter, room 1 circuit breaker, single-phase meter, room 2 circuit breaker, another single phase meter, room 3 circuit breaker, another single phase energy meter, room 4 circuit breaker, MCCB circuit breaker, single phase meter, room 5 circuit breaker, another single phase meter, room 6 circuit breaker. First phase connection input to three phase energy meter. Phase connection output from energy meter to connect MCCB circuit breaker. Second phase connection to three phase energy meter. Third phase connection to three phase energy meter. Third phase connection from energy meter to MCCB circuit breaker. Neutral connection input to three phase energy meter. Neutral connection to room 1 single phase energy meter. Third phase connection to room 1 energy meter. Neutral connection from energy meter to room 1 circuit breaker. Phase connection from energy meter to room 1 circuit breaker. Phase connection to room 2 energy meter. Neutral connection to room 2 energy meter. Neutral connection from room 2 energy meter to room 2 circuit breaker. And phase connection from energy meter to circuit breaker. Second phase connection to room 3 energy meter. Neutral connection to room 3 energy meter. Neutral connection from energy meter to room 3 circuit breaker. Phase connection from energy meter to room 3 circuit breaker. Second phase connection to room 4 energy meter. Neutral connection to room 4 energy meter. Phase connection from energy meter to room 4 circuit breaker. Neutral connection from energy meter to room 4 circuit breaker. First phase connection to room 5 energy meter input. Neutral connection to room 5 energy meter input. Phase connection from energy meter to room 5 circuit breaker. Neutral connection from energy meter to room 5 circuit breaker. Phase connection input to room 6 energy meter. Neutral connection input to room 6 energy meter. Phase connection from energy meter to room 6 circuit breaker. Phase connection neutral connection from energy meter to room 6 circuit breaker. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.